Doing so much today, boy. They here, they there. And a couple trying to come down. There you go again. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe I'll get them down there. Oh, maybe not. Enjoying it today. This is Tippler weather, October, November. December is when it gets crazy. Y'all can hear the wind wrestling. Nice wind today. There they go. I'm just waiting for the falcon to come. I'm watching them land. There we go. I was way across on the side of the highway before for about half hour. And they cut their way back. It's like a migration of turkey vultures today too. It's weird. You see them in a bunch right over that way. Bunch of turkey vultures. So they also got my birds playing around. There they go doing the yo-yo again. Starting to go up again. And go up and down. A couple of young birds learning how to swing. They better hurry up and learn. It could be over soon. You know, man, it's your boy Los, King's Catch Kid. Where'd they go? I don't know. Focus on these things.